we bring you another topic, 10 most amazing modern prefab homes in the world. California isn't the only place where you can get the most incredible modern modular homes. We've looked worldwide for ideas and possibilities for your new house. The prefab trend is slowly gaining traction as a fantastic choice for a new house. Prefab provides terrific, modern digs in thoughtfully designed, often tiny packages in a fraction of the time it takes to build a standard house. Please take a peek at some of our personal favorites. Would you please subscribe and click the bell symbol to receive more videos before we continue? 10. Plant Prefab Sunset Bud Living Home. This unique ancillary dwelling unit ADU series comes in 4 sizes and layouts to suit practically any property. All options fulfill California's ADU size limitations, from a small studio to a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with a garage. Following the 2018 Woolly Fire, the concept for such a flexible solution arose as a method to assist families in reclaiming their homes while navigating the typically years-long process of rebuilding a primary property. Renowned Malibu constructed the residence by CA architect Douglas B. Burge to promote pleasant living and long-term property value in a discerning real estate market. The Sunset Bud Living Home includes elements that balance the city's rigorous aesthetic and safety concerns. The designs are fire-resistant material and feature high-end finishing, such as German plumbing fixtures and Italian porcelain in the bathroom. Each variation takes advantage of Malibu's magnificent ocean vistas with floor-to-ceiling glass walls that open to the outside. With 4 different floor designs, there's a unit to fit practically every lot size or setback need. 9. Mighty Building Quartro. The Mighty Quartro's open concept design and large kitchen island make it ideal for entertaining friends and family. Enjoy the natural light coming in through the floor-to-ceiling windows while entertaining friends around the kitchen island. Visitors who desire to stay the night can use the spare bedroom as a guest room. The Mighty Quartro allows you to design a unique home by offering more space and possibilities. A full-sized refrigerator, custom-made cabinetry, a 4-burner range, dishwasher, and dual-purpose convection oven and microwave are all included in the fully equipped kitchen. There is plenty of built-in storage throughout the house, including the hallway, closets, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Quartz countertops, an attractive mirrored medicine cabinet and vanity, and a walk-in shower with designer-selected fixtures are all included in the luxurious bathroom. A washer and dryer are also included with the Mighty Quartro. 8. Kbox. The 360 and 480 are 2 standard layouts containing a bedroom and a bathroom on a plot of 360 and 480 total square feet. Buyers will pay somewhat more than the industry norm to take advantage of the opportunity to sleep 2 more guests in the entertainment area, a fully convertible component of the floor plan built for optimal utility, with an average value cost of $370 per square foot. Furthermore, the kitchenette area is shared with the lounge and dining areas, ensuring that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. The smart storage solution allows the owner to organize their belongings in any configuration that strikes their fancy as a full-feature, full-time residence. Kaiserworks manufactures each Kbox according to automotive-grade standards. The industrial metal exterior is built to withstand the planet's harshest weather conditions. At the same time, the fully integrated Bosch appliance package complements the premium finishes to make sure that no Kbox is ever short on the creature comforts we've come to expect from the modular home industry's higher-end products. 7. Passion House Model M1. The makers have personalized every part of the construction process, have inventive alternatives available for each, from the overall external appearance to the tiniest details. Passion has created its M1 house to be excellent for small space living, and it may be used as a house or a cottage according to the buyer's preference. With 560 square feet to work with, there's plenty of room for groups of all sizes to live happily together. Every material has been carefully picked to be robust and refined, a design philosophy that extends to the solid construction, triple glazed windows, and natural wood finishing touches. The terrace is built of solid wood and opens the Passion M1 simplistic design concept out into the wide outdoors, providing the ideal spot for resting and passing time. 6. Qhaus Cliff. Cliff is a modular home idea for overnight guests and family members. It may be utilized to accommodate bigger groups of people at ski resorts, rent out the units on Airbnb, or serve as a private lake house for romantic getaways. These modular homes may be used in various climates all around the world. Cliff's concept is to provide a more fantastic room with fewer building dimensions while utilizing smart home technologies for a more eco-friendly approach. Compact Living created the image in collaboration with many consumers to obtain the most incredible possible result, which is functional, elegant, and smart. It has high-end interior and exterior materials and solutions, yet it can be customized to match the needs and expectations of every customer, making it standard and current. 5. New Frontier Design, Orchid. The house features an open-floor layout, with the main living area serving as a second bedroom in the front. The kitchen and dining table are on the raised platform in the center of the house, while a bathroom with the main closet with a lofted bedroom area are positioned in the back. The Orchid's dimmable, independently switched illuminations has earned worldwide acclaim. This property has a great look day or night thanks to skylights, clear-story windows, and a wide glass front wall. The Orchid's king bed loft and couch bed comfortably sleep 4 people. Spacious, stylish, and inviting. Floating mirrors with LED valance lighting provide depth with a contemporary bathroom. 4. Manta North, Slope. Manta North's 48 SQM Slope tiny house is one of the few styles available, and it's completely customizable, from the fixtures, finishes, and kitchen to the entire layout. A 2-bedroom home is also available. Manta North tiny houses have a presence throughout North America and Europe, making its products available to a diverse group of individuals and nations. The Slope, which features a full kitchen, huge living area, bathroom, and the previously stated possibility to convert from a 1-bedroom to a 2-bedroom, comes with a 10-year limited guarantee from Manta North. While the Slope's gabled roof and design are comparable to many other similarly shaped small houses, the inside finishes look well chosen, with high-quality woodwork. Manta North has several high-quality items in our opinion. 3. Loica and Tagua cabins. This project began as a coastal vacation house. The two-person cottages are located in Matanzas, Navidad, about a 12-hour drive from Santiago. The bungalows are located 80 meters above sea level on the Lagunilla Hill, in front of the Lobura, a massive rock outcropping home to sea lions and other natural animals. Because of its excellent wind and wave conditions, Matanzas has become the world's capital for windsurfing and kite surfing. Both of these features were purposefully included in the project's development. The design approach was envisioned as a chance for experimentation to dominate the steep hill, but still blend in with the natural surroundings. An oversized loft aesthetically and spatially integrates the internal spaces. To maximize space, the dining area, bathroom, and kitchen are located on the entrance level, with furniture that blends in with the building. The western facades include large windows that add to the sensation of hovering over the water, dominating the horizon. 2. Mandalaki, Monocabin. The Monocabin is 27 square meters, 290 square feet, and has everything you need to live comfortably. It comes with an open bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living and dining space. Mandalaki Studio, headquartered in Milan, has streamlined the design to the point where it can be readily replicated without compromising beauty. As a result, the design studio saw the potential to grow worldwide by collaborating with builders like Boutique Homes in the United States. The fundamental model may be built for as little as USD $45,000. Furniture, appliances, and lights are all included in the upgraded model. If you want to buy a monocabin for yourself, you'll need to get municipal clearance to arrange for a connection to the water grid and drainage system. The purchaser will additionally be responsible for transportation expenses of around USD $7,500 in the United States and USD $2,800 in Europe. The monocabin takes roughly 7 days to build after the components are on site. The house is a sustainability model, with triple glazed windows and a smart wall system that houses the water heater, air conditioner, and heating system. 1. East Coast Modern, Mod 2. The word rugged comes to mind whenever I think about this property. The Bay of Fundy's mighty tide crests just off the public wing's covered terrace. The foundation was built under the enormous trees that covered the property by blasting through the stone. Privacy and glass, which often conflict, are two design characteristics that shine out in this home. The home's south side has nearly 50 feet of glass, which frames several beautiful vistas. The architecture also provides a striking distinction between public and private areas. All on one level, the master patio is nearly 100 feet distant from the shared terrace. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.